Music Arts TEACHING Modul XCHAPTER2, Exploring Musical Forms, Structures, and Genres A General Information. Educational Unit, Senior High School, Vocational High School. Subject, Musical Arts. Grade, Semester, X, Odd Semester. Chapter, Unit, 2 Exploring Musical Forms, Structures, and Genres. Time Allocation, 6 hours. B. Learning Outcomes, Definition and Objective of Unisono. Students are able to identify musical structures, binary, ternary, rondo, etc., and musical genres, traditional, classical, jazz, pop, rock, contemporary. Analyze the characteristics and differences between musical forms and genres. Express creativity by creating mini-works based on specific musical genres or forms. Demonstrate an appreciative, collaborative, and creative attitude in the learning process. C. Deep Learning Approach. Meaningful Learning. Students connect everyday music listening experiences with theories of musical form and genre. Relate familiar songs to musical structures, e.g., pop songs with first chorus forms. Mindful Learning. Students critically analyze the music. Why did certain genres emerge? How does culture influence them? Reflection. With musical genre-based reflects me. Joyful Learning. Role-play activities. The class is divided into pop band, jazz group, or traditional gamelan, and then performs musical excerpt. Digital interactive games to recognize musical structures, e.g., guess the form of a song from an audio excerpt. D. Learning Materials Music Structure. Binary form, AB, ternary form, ABA, rondo form, ABACA, ABAC-ABA, fugue dan sonata form. Introduction. Popular song structure, verse, chorus, bridge music genre, traditional, gamelan, keroncong, angklung, etc. Western classics, baroque, classical, romantic, popular, pop, rock, jazz, reggae, hip-hop, EDM. Contemporary, experimental, cross-cultural fusion. E-learning activities meeting 1. Icebreaker, students are asked to name their favorite music genre. The teacher plays several pieces of music, and students guess the genre and structure. Discussion, cultural influences on the emergence of music genres. Meeting 2, analyze the lyrics and musical structure of regional and popular songs. Group assignment, create a concept map of the differences in music genres. Simple coding integration, use Python, Librosa or Matplotlib, or Scratch to visualize rhythmic pattern, sound waves. Meeting 3, mini workshop, each group chooses a genre and creates a simple piece of music, using real, virtual musical instruments, or digital applications such as BandLab, FL Studio Mobile, GarageBand. Presentation of work plus learning reflection. F. Knowledge assessment. Formative tests, multiple choice, descriptive questions about musical forms and genres. Analysis of the musical structure of a given song. Skills, group project, creating a mini musical piece, max 2 minutes, according to the genre. The rubric assesses creativity, appropriateness of form, and collaboration. Attitudes, observation of participation, appreciation of peer work, and group cooperation. G. Student reflection, what music genre do I like best, and why? How does music reflect my cultural identity? What did I learn from creating group music? H. Technology dan coding integration basic concept of singing one voice in a group. A simple Python example to display a song waveform. Musical structure, musical form, is the framework for organizing a work. How the sections, A, B, C, etc. are arranged, repeated, developed, and contrasted. Below are the forms most commonly encountered in class and practice. 1.1 Binary form, AB, definition, the work is divided into 2 major sections, A and BTC are usually equal in length and often repeated, A, B. Important variants, Simply binary, A and B contain new ideas without repeating the theme of A at the end. Rounded binary, section B revisits material from A at the end, often written as ABA. This often makes this form appear similar to ternary. Sectional vs continuous. Sectional if section A ends with a perfect cadence on the root note, as if, closing, verse. Continuous if A ends with a modulation, half cadence, leaving it hanging toward. Musical structure, audible characteristics. The contrast in theme, harmonic direction from A to B is clearly felt. Section repetition is often explicit. Common contexts, Baroque dan jazz, Allemande, courante, gigue, some folk songs, and introductory PHS in popular music, films. Quick analysis exercise. Listen to a short piece. Label it A when the initial theme appear. Label it B when a new idea emerges and does not return fully to A. Musical structure 1.2 ternary form. ABA, definition, consists of 3 sections. A, B, A. The A section return to its full form at the end, sometimes with variation, ornamentation. A. Variants and examples. Da capo aria, ABA da capo. In Baroque music, the singer embellishes the A section upon returning. Minuet dan trio, A-as minuet, B-as trio, then back to minuet A, common in the classical period, similar form in the scherzo dan trio of the Romantic era. Compound ternary, A and or B are themselves structured in a small way, e.g., binary, but remain ABA as a whole. 1.3 rondo form, Abaca, ABAC ABA, definition, there is a refrain, main theme A that return repeatedly after interludes, episodes, B, C. The general pattern is Abaca or ABAC ABA. Listening characteristics. Theme A is memorable, distinctive melody, read, serves as an anchor for the listener. The episodes provide contrast, basic tonality, mode, texture, read, instrumental color, then return to A, confirming the work's identity. Form notes, there is a rondo sonata, a combination of rondo ideas with sonata-style thematic processing principles, but at the introductory level, it is simply introduced as a variant. Exercise, create a timeline map of the song you're listening to. Mark the occurrences of A, B, C, etc. Is A always the same, or does it undergo variations? A. Musical structure fugue, introduction. Essence, polyphonic, contrapuntal form, voices imitate each other's core theme, subject. Focus on thematic imitation, vocal build-up, and motivic development. Parts dan key themes. Subject, main theme, first sung, played by one voice. Answer to the subject by another voice. Can be real, exact interval, or tonal, adjusted for harmony. Counter subject, a constant accompanying melody that often accompanies the subject when it reappears. Exposition, the initial stage when all voices have alternated between presenting the subject, answer. Episode, a connecting section based on a sequence, motif fragment without a complete subject, serves as modulation. Middle entries, the appearance of the subject in a new key, region during development. Processing techniques, stretto, overlapping the subject, augmentation, diminution, increase, decrease pitch value, inversion, reversing the direction of the interval, pedal point, holding the key, adding tension. Listening, follow the appearance of the subject in various voices, feel how the texture becomes denser during stretto or when variations are played. Exercise, print out the subject notes, 2-4 bars, highlighting each time the subject, answer appear in the simplest score or listener's transcript. Musical structure 1.5 sonata form, introduction. Essence, 3-pillar narrative architecture, exposition, development recapitulation, often with a coda. Core structure, exposition, theme 1, P1, in the tonic, bridge modulates, Theme 2, S, in the dominant, relative key, contrasting character, concluding assets new territory. Development, motive development, fragmentation, sequence, broad modulation, counterpoint, harmonic tension increase. Recapitulation, exposition material return boot in the tonic, resolving the modulation tension. Coda, a conclusion that reinforces the final resolution. Common variations, slow, monothematic introduction, theme 2 derived from theme 1, modified recapitulation, or long, dramatic coda. Exercise, map out key themes, motive and note how they are developed, chop sequence, read altered, key shift, etc. Musical structure 1.6 popular song structure, verse, chorus, bridge. Common components, intro, opening sonic identity, verse, story, lyrical plot, medium energy, pre-chorus, energy bridge, increasing tension, chorus, core, most memorable, hook, post-chorus, sometimes present, strengthening the hook, bridge, middle 8, new contrast toward the end, breakdown, drop, textural reduction dan explosion, outro, closing. Popular pattern, ABABCB, A sama dengan verse, B sama dengan chorus, C sama dengan bridge, ABABAB, or AABA, Tin Pan Alley, standard jazz style. Production dan writing features. Periodization is often 4/8 bars per phrase, choruses tend to be higher pitched and instrument heavy. The vocal, instrumental hook serves as a memory anchor. The bridge provides a new perspective, lyrical, harmonic, rhythmic, before the final chorus. Exercise, take a pop song. Underline the keyword of the hook, not the change in thickness of the arrangement from verse pre-chorus. 2. Music genre 2.1 Traditional Indonesian. Gamelan, Javanese, Balainis, Sundanis. Distinctive scales, slendro dan pelok, Javanese, Balainis, Sorok, Madenda, Sundanis, with a distinct tone color aesthetic from Western diatonic instruments. Colotomic structure, time is marked by instrument markers, gong, kenong, kempul, ketuk, kemyang, forming a cyclic unit, gongan. Layered texture, stratified heterophony, balungan, core melody, is surrounded by elaborations, bonang, gender, with the kendang directing the tempo, accent. Gending, introductory, forms, lancaran, ketawang, ladrang, ayak-ayakan, each with a different marking pattern and cycle length. Keroncong, typical instruments, cuk dan cak, rhythmic ukulele, guitar, flute, cello, pizzicato, violin, double bass. A constantly swinging, syncopated, keroncong, reed, vocals with a distinctive vibrato, high-pitched voicing. Harmony often uses the 1-6-2-5 cycle and variations, turnarounds, creating a flowing feel. Substyles, authentic keroncong, stambul, Javanese langgam, angklung, diatonic ensemble, technique, each player plays several notes, collaboration is key. Arrangement, rhythmic ostinato pattern, alternating main melody, simple harmony, I4-5, 1-5-V4. Konteks, education, community performances, adaptable to regional and pop songs. 2. Music genre 2.2 Western Classical. Barok, C. Tahun 1600 sampai tahun 1750. Characteristics, basso continuo, rich ornamentation, strong polyphony, fugue, contrasting terce dynamics. Forms, genres, dance suite, concerto grosso, solo concerto, oratorio, cantata. Klasikal, C. Tahun 1750 sampai tahun 1820. Characteristics, clarity of form, dominant homophony, symmetrical phrases, 4+4, stable functional harmony. Key forms, sonata form, symphony, string quartet, concerto, logical and proportional development of themes. Romantic, C. tahun 1820 sampai tahun 1910. Characteristics, subjective expression, high chromaticism, distant modulation, rubato, and larget orchestration. Genres, light, tone poem, program symphony, grand opera, piano miniature, and monumental works. 2. Music genre 2.3 popular. Pop, focuses on melody and hooks, first chorus structure, studio production, personal universal lyrics. Wide range of subgenres, ballad, indie pop, synth pop, etc. Rock, energy guitar, bass, drums, strong backbeat, beats 2 and 4, distorted timbre, themes of rebellion, identity. Subgenres, classic rock, hard rock, punk, metal, alternative, etc. Jazz, improvisation, swing feel, blue notes, complex harmonies, 7 9 11 chords, tritone substitutions, common 12 bar blues and AABA forms. Variants, bebop, cool, hard bop, modal, fusion, contemporary. Reggae, offbeat skunk, guitar, organ on the weak beat, one drop drum pattern, snare, kick on beat 3, melodic bass. Lyrics, social, spiritual, resistance, peace. Hip-hop, elements, rap, MC, DJ, production, sampling, loops, breakbeat, 808. Focus on flow, rhyme, community, city storytelling, first chorus structure with vocal, instrumental hooks. EDM, electronic dance music, electronic production, build-up drop breakdown structure. Subgenres, introduction, house, techno, trance, dubstep, drum dan bass, each with its own unique rhythmic pattern and tempo. 2. Music genre contemporary, experimental, exploration of non-traditional sounds, extended techniques, aleatoric, chance elements, soundscapes, textures, graphic notation, electronics. Cross-cultural fusion, meeting of idioms, e.g., gamelan tanda kali jazz, keroncong tanda kali pop. S. Thank you for all your attention.